Today we're at Sette in Orlando's Ivanhoe district. This is one of the hottest restaurants in town right now, and the reason that everyone's so excited about it is it's from the same owners as 7 Bites Bakery in the Milk District. But this is their first full-service restaurant, so I'm really excited to try it. So let's go to the tasting table. Hi, Trina.
Welcome to Sette.
Well, thank you. Tell me about your new place.
We're now offering scratch-made pasta with some inspiration from Italy.
Great. Well, let's give it a try.
Absolutely. Let's go. We came up with the name Sette after throwing a few names around, and with 7 Bites, it has become a really well-known brand here in Orlando, and it just seemed fitting that we tried to come up with something that would fit with that brand, and Sette is 7 in Italian.
What do we have today?
Well, we're starting with our sausage and blistered grapes with fennel. And I've also got our mussels and a lemon white wine butter sauce.
That's an unusual combination, sausage and grapes.
It is. It comes from the Umbria region in Italy, and the fennel sausage mixed with the fresh fennel and the blistered grapes, it is the perfect combination of sweet and savory.
Okay, and what's different about your mussels?
Our mussels, we like to cook with Pernod and some of the fresh fennel, garlic, basil, Calabrian chilies. All of these things really enhance the flavors of the mussels with the lemon and white wine sauce.
I really like that burst of moisture from the grape, a little bit of sweetness, and then you've got the texture of the sausage. They just complement each other wonderfully. I don't know what I like best about a dish of mussels, but these are perfect. They're very soft, but I also like the liquor at the bottom. You can taste that Pernod in there. Just love to pick up this bowl and drink it. What's this?
This is our mushroom parpadol. It's a wild mushroom blend over our hand-made pasta. We extrude all of our pasta here daily, 70 to 100 pounds a day.
Wow.
It is a traditional blend of just semolina flour and water, so it's also vegan. We finish it with a little white truffle oil and some pistachios.
You can really tell when the pasta is freshly made. It just has not a soft texture, but the al dente quality that you strive for is just so much more present. And I can really taste the olive oil and those chilies. They're not really, really hot, but that's a nice finish. It just kind of makes you want to take a drink of wine. Oh my gosh, that's huge.
Well, that's a traditional 7 Bites slice of cake. We wanted to translate that same brand feeling where people know they're getting dessert. What I have for you today is our lemon olive oil cake. It's a traditional olive oil cake recipe with a twist. We've put in a lemon rosemary curd and finished it with a lemon mascarpone buttercream.
It's big, but it's not heavy. And that lemon gives it a really nice, refreshing aftertaste. At the beginning, I told you this was one of the most anticipated restaurants in town, and it's easy to see why. For the tasting table, I'm Scott Joseph.
Inside Central Florida, your source for events, theme park news, local eats, and more, streaming 24/7 on the WFTV Now app on your TV.